Good morning, everyone. So today I am telling the important problems of the limits and continuity and the differentiation. So from these topics I am telling the important problems. So 2 marks, 4 marks, and the 7 marks. So in that one, the first problem I am taking. Prove that limit x tends to 0 plus 2 modulus x by x plus x plus 1 equal to 3 given. So prove that or show that here. So in the given one here, he given the modulus of x. So whatever he given, so in the solution also, you have to take what is the given one. So given limit x comes to 0 plus 2 modulus of x by x plus x plus 1. In the left side we have to take and the right side we have to prove. Okay, left side తీసుకొని right side prove చేయాలి. So in this one the modulus of x. So modulus of x defined as x whenever x is greater than 0, less than 0 whenever less than 0. This is defined as a minus x. Whenever equal to 0, this is a 0. Okay. Modulus of x అనేది modulus of x అనేది x greater than 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు x less than 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు minus x we have to take here. అంటే minus x అంటే x less than 0 అంటే నెగటివ్ ఉంటే నెగటివ్ పాజిటివ్ will get here and x equal to 0 only 0. సో 0 ప్లస్ అంటే greater than 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఓన్లీ modulus of x కాడ ఓన్లీ x మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. సో దెన్ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ limit x tends to 0 plus so 2 modulus of x is nothing but here only modulus of x is nothing but only x by x plus 1. So 0 plus and greater than 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు. So this is nothing but when I applying the limit here, so x cancel here, so then what will get here, so limit x tends to 0 or 0 plus what is the here, the remaining is the 2 plus x plus 1. So limit of whole is limit for each term here. So 2 అనేది one of the constant కాబట్టి 2 as it is will get here. So 0 we have to apply in place of x only. So 0 plus 1. So that is 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. అంటే సో రైట్ సైడ్ మనకి ఎంత కావాలి, 3 మాత్రమే కావాలి. సో therefore what is given, so limit x tends to 0 plus 2 modulus of x by x plus x plus 1 equal to 3. You have to remember only the modulus of x. Modulus of x, how we have to define this one. Next, second problem. Find limit x tends to 0 e power x plus 3 minus e power 3 by x. So in this problem also from limits only. So going to solving, first I am taking what is the given. Limit x tends to 0 e power x plus 3 minus e power 3 by x. In the numerator, see e power x plus 3. So e power x plus 3 can be written as e power x plus 3 can be written as e power x into e power 3 minus e power 3 by x. Because we have the formula x power m into x power n can be written as x power m plus n. X power m plus n అంటే m plus ఉన్నప్పుడు m n గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. So in the powers we have, so that's why I am taking, so limit x tends to 0. So in the two terms e power 3 is the common we have, so that's why I am taking e power 3 common. The remaining is here e power x. So already we are taken the e power 3, so the remaining is 1 here by x. So then, so limit x tends to 0 and in place of x only it's going to, we have to substitute by 0. So here e power 3 one of the constant, so that's why I'm taking outside of the limit here, constant gravity. So e power 3 remaining limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by e power x. So this is e power 3. So this total value, the what is the, we have this one is 1 here. That is the limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x value is 1. So e power 3 into 1 is e power 3. Take this one. Next problem from the differentiation I am taking. Find f dash x if f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 10. So 2x square plus 3x plus 10, this is a algebraic or the polynomial function given. So you have to find out here the f dash x, that is a derivative. So going to this one, going to finding the f dash x, first I am taking what is the given f of x. So given f of x equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 10. What is asking? The derivative. So the derivative symbol is d by dx. So derivating with respect to x, because the given one is in terms of x only given. So of f of x equal to d by dx of 2x square plus 3x plus 10. So this implies the derivative of f of x is denoting with f dash x. So derivative of x is denoted by f dash x equal to the derivative of whole is derivative for each term we have. So that's why the derivative of 2x square plus derivative of 3x plus the derivative of 10 we have. And the left side is okay, this one. The remaining is derivating to only x terms only. So 2 one of the constant. So that's why I am taking outside of the differentiation. The remaining is what here? The derivative of here x square, and 3 also one of the taking outside. So then derivative of x, and 10 also one of the taking outside constant. So derivative of the remaining is only 1. So 10 the 10 constant derivative is also 0 will get here. So 2. Next to x square. The principle is x power n derivative is n x power n minus 1. n అనేది కోఎఫిషియంట్ వస్తది, పవర్ లో ఒకటి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. x power n derivative is n x power n minus 1. So in this one here 2 we have, so 2 will get as a coefficient here. So 2 minus 1 is a 1 only. So we'll get here x square derivative is a 2x by this formula. Plus 3 x derivative is a only 1, and 10 the constant derivative of 10 or derivative of 1 both are here 0 only. So directly also we take here 0 also. So next 2 2 is 4x plus 3 1 is 3. So this is a derivative of the given function. Take this one. Next problem in the differentiation, find f dash x if f of x equal to log of sin of log x. So for this I am taking what is the given one here. So given f of x. So f of x is what is the given? Log of sin of log x. See, this is a log of sin of log x అంటే సో ఈ సైన్ అనేది log x మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది, లాగ్ అనేది లాగరిథం అనేది సో సైన్ ఆఫ్ log x పైన ఆధారపడింది. సో ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఆధారపడింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని చైన్ రూల్ అనొచ్చు, చైన్ రూల్ ప్రకారం సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దీనికోసం నేనేం చేస్తానంటే ఈ log x ను b అనుకుంటున్నా, సైన్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ log x సైన్ ఆఫ్ log x ను u అనుకుంటున్నా. అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ f of x ను log u and this is a b. లాగరిథం అనేది u లో ఉంది, ఈ సైన్ అనేది b లో ఉంది. సో ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో therefore what is the what you want here? So dy by d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x. So that is what is the లాగరిథం లో u లో ఉంది కాబట్టి then I am taking here so df by du. Okay, and u is the function of b, so du by dv, and v is the function of x, dv by dx. f is the function of u, u is the function of v, v is the function of x. అంటే దీని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలంటే ఇవన్నీ డెరివేటివ్స్ కావాలి. సో దానికోసం నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ, సో f of x and taking f of x, what we taken here, logarithm u we taken. సో లాగరిథం u అంటే df by du అంటే డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ f of x. సో డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ f of x అంటే f dash x. So f dash x అంటే ఇక్కడ log u derivative what will get here 1 by u will get. That is the df by du. And du by dv also you want here. So du by dv అంటే u అంటే ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ టోటల్ sin of log x ఉంది. Sin of log x. So then what I am taking here, u is a sin of log x. Log x. X is nothing but here what? Log x is nothing but d. So derivative is u dash. So u dash అంటే మనకు sin v derivative cos v. Next v is what here? We taken as a log x. And v derivative log x derivative 1 by x. అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ u లో తీసుకున్నా u ని v లో తీసుకున్నా v ని x లో తీసుకున్నా ఈ విధంగా రిలేషన్ లో చైన్ రూల్ ప్రకారం తీసుకుంటే సో దెన్ ఐ వాంట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద df by du. సో df by du is nothing but f dash x. F dash x is what you got here 1 by u. And next du by dv. Du by dv what you got here with respect to v cos v you got. And dv by dx. So dv by dx and v dash. V dash what you got here 1 by x. And f dash x what you got 1 by u cos v 1 by x. But given the problem is what here in terms of x only you got here u v x. The total again you have to convert into total x terms only. So that is what is 1 by u. U is what here? U we taken for sin of log x. So then sin of log x into cos v. V we taken for log x and 1 by x. So when I simplify this one, so 1 by x sin of 1 by sin of log x, then this can be written as x sin of log x. This combining this one, so cos of log x here. So cos of log x is cos of log x. So cos of log x by sin of log x, both are same. So that's why I am taking 1 by x. So that is a cot of log x is can be written as. ఎందుకంటే cos by sin is a cot. అంటే చైన్ రూల్ ప్రకారం చేస్తే u v లో ఇలా తీసుకుంటే మనకు సో ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దిస్ వన్. సో వితౌట్ టేకింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ హియర్? f of x is equal to log of sin of log x. You want what is the f dash x. సో ఇదంతా టోటల్ x గా ట్రీట్ చేసుకుంటే log x ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. log x డెరివేటివ్ ఇస్ 1 by x. 1 by x ప్లేస్ లో మనకి ఉంది sin of log x ఉంది. అగైన్ యూ హావ్ టు డెరివేటివ్ ద ఇన్నర్ ఫంక్షన్ sin of log x. sin of log x అంటే ఇది x గా తీసుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఇది x గా తీసుకుంటే టోటల్ x గా తీసుకుంటే sin x రూపంలో ఉంది. sin x డెరివేటివ్ ఇస్ cos x. cos x x అంటే ఏమిటి మనకి ఇక్కడ log x. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్నర్ ఫంక్షన్ అగైన్ ద ఇన్నర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్ log x. log x డెరివేటివ్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ 1 by x. అంటే ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు లాగరిథం టోటల్ అండ్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ అండ్ ద లాగరిథం చైన్ రూల్ అంటే లోపల ఇన్నర్ ఫంక్షన్ కూడా డెరివేటివ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతే ఫస్ట్ లాగ్ను తర్వాత సైన్ను తర్వాత లాగ్ x ఈ విధంగా డెరివేటివ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో cos by sin is a cot 1 by x only. So 1 by x that is a cot x. So directly also we can solve this one. If you will get here for 4 marks we can solve like this only. Next, fifth problem is find the f dash x if f of x equal to x square plus 6x minus 3 whole power 99. So going to solving, first I am taking what is the given one. So given f of x, what is the f of x given? X square plus 6x minus 3 whole power 99. అంటే you want what is the f dash x. So f dash x అంటే derivative to both side here. So d by dx of f of x equal d by dx of total what is the x square plus 6x minus 3 whole power 99. So derivative. So then d by dx of f of x is denoting with f dash x equal to what is the here x square plus 6x whole power 99. This is treating as a total capital X, x power 99. So what is the x power n derivative? We have n x power n minus 1. n x power n minus 1. And in place of n what you have here? 99. 99 got a 99 and x square plus 6x minus 3. 99 minus 1 is a 98. And you have to derivative for inner function also, that is a d by dx of inner function is what here? X square plus 6x minus 3 as per chain rule. Chain rule ante with respect to whole function, again inner function also you have to derivative here. So for that what will get here? 99 x square plus 6x minus 3 whole power 98, and the derivative of inner is x, derivative of whole is again derivative for each term. X square derivative is the 2x, 6x derivative is the 6. So then this is can be written as, when I am taking to here, so 99 2x plus 6 and the remaining is x square plus 6x minus 3 whole power 99 is the required the derivative of the given function. Take this one. Why is it? Next, sixth one. Find f dash x if f of x equal to root x plus 3x power 1 by 4 minus 5x power 2 by 7. So first I am taking what is the given one to solve the solution. What is the f of x? F of x is a root x plus 3x power 1 by 4 minus 5x power 2 by 7. What you want here? F dash x. To find out f dash x, I am derivating both sides here for the given one. So then d by dx of f of x equal d by dx of whole, what is the given? Root x plus 3x power 1 by 4 minus 5x power 2 by 7. So then d by dx of f of x is denoting with f dash x only, equal the derivative of whole is derivative for each term here. So that is d by dx of root x plus d by dx of 3x power 1 by 4 minus d by dx of 5x power 2 by 7. So that is the derivative of whole is derivative for each term. We have the one of the property in the differentiation. So next, root x. Root x derivative is what here? 1 by 2 root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. And next, 3 one of the constant taking outside of the differentiation. The remaining is x power 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 derivative as x power n derivative. X power n derivative is n x power n minus 1. సో n అనేది కోఎఫిషియంట్ ముందరకు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 1 by 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1 minus minus 5 also one of the constant taking outside here. The remaining is derivative of here x power 2 by 7. 2 by 7 ముందరకు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సో 2 by 7 x power 2 by 7 minus 1. So this is 1 by 2 root x plus 3 1 by 4 is a 3 by 4. So when I am taking the cross multiplication, so 4 1 is 4, 1 minus 4 is a minus 3. So then what will get here? X power minus 3 by 4, 5 2 is 10 by 7. So here also 2 by 7 minus 1 ante 7 1 is 7, 2 minus 7 ante 5 with minus 5. X power minus 5 by 7. This is 1 by 2 root x plus this is the power, we have the negative, that's why I am taking to new denominator here. So this can be written as 3 by 4 x power 3 by 4 minus 10. This is also negative, I am taking to denominator. So by 7 x power 5 by 7. Okay, this is a required f dash x. Take this. Next, seventh one. What is our dy delta y, asking if y is equal to x square plus x at x is equal to 10, delta x is equal to 0.1. So first I am taking what is the given function y equal to x square plus x. What is asking? dy. So dy principle is f dash x delta x, and delta y principle is what here? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, now you have to remember this here. Then only we will get what is the. Then only it's possible to find what is the dy and the delta y. For that I am taking what is the derivative. So derivating is the dy. So derivating only, not derivating with respect to x like that here. So here x square derivative is 2x, x derivative is what is the here? F dash x delta x is nothing but here x square derivative is 2x, x derivative is 1, and with delta x is delta x. Okay, dy equal to 2x plus 1 with delta x. So then dy equal to 2. X is how much given here? 10 is given, plus 1 with whole delta x is 0.1 given. So then this is nothing but here 2 10 20 plus 1, 21 with multiplying with 0.1. So 21 with 0.1 is nothing but 21 1 21 only. So 0.1 kabatti 2.1 is dy value. Okay. Next asking delta y. So delta y principle is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So this is f of x plus delta x. F of x is nothing but this one only given. So this is a function of x only. కానీ మనకేం కావాలి? x ఉన్న ప్రతి చోట delta x యాడ్ చేయాలి. So that is what here what we have to take here? X plus delta x whole square plus x అంటే మళ్ళా x plus delta x. f of x plus delta x అంటే x ఉన్న చోట delta x యాడ్ చేయాలి. And minus f of x. F of x is what is given here? X square plus x only given. And this one I am substituting the what is the values here? What is the x? X is a 10 and delta x is a 0.1. 0.1 whole square to whole square plus x plus delta x. X plus delta x is a 10 plus 0.1. This one. And minus, and what is the here? X square. X square is a 10 square. So 10 square plus x is a what here? Again 10. Just I am substituting what is the x delta x value. What is the given only? And this is 10 plus 0.1 is a 10.1. 10.1 whole square plus this is a 10 plus 0.1 is a 10.1. Okay, minus. So 10 square and 100. 100 plus 10 is a 110. 110. And this is what here? 10.1 whole square. 10.1 whole square and what is the value? 10.1. 10.1 and we have to multiply this one. Next problem is find the approximation of cube root of 65. Cube root of 65. Observe. So this is near to cube root of 64. Okay na? అంటే cube root of 64 కన్నా కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉంది. సో అంటే cube root of 64 what is the value? 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So కాబట్టి this value is 4. అంటే indirectly, so the cube root of 65 can be written as cube root of 64 plus 1. Okay, so I am writing this is this form here. So to solve this one, we have to remember the principle. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x delta x. So for that I am taking to solve this one the cube root of 65 and the cube root of x form lo the got let y is equal to cube root of x I am taking, and cube root of x is nothing but here x power 1 by 3. He given what he given here? Cube root of 65. Cube root of 65 is near to cube root of 64 plus 1. Why I am taking only 64? Because cube root of 64 only exactly value we are getting. So not the what is 65, 66 or 63 like that. We don't have exactly value. So this is a integer value. So that's why I am taking the cube root of 64. And this is I am taking as the here f of x plus delta x I am taking this one. అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఎక్స్ పవర్ 1/3 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్కు ఎక్స్ ఉంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మనకు డెల్టా ఎక్స్ కాడ హియర్ డెల్టా ఎక్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ 1 ప్లస్ 1. సో ఫర్ దిస్ వాట్ యు వాంట్ హియర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ డెల్టా ఎక్స్ అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ డెల్టా ఎక్స్. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఎక్స్ పవర్ 1/3 ప్లస్ what is the f dash x. F dash x అంటే 1/3 x power 1/3 minus 1 and then delta x. Delta x is a you got 1. Next x power 1/3. X power 1/3 అంటే x we taken as a 64 only. So this implies I am taking what is the cube root of 64 is a x power 1/3 if I am taking this will get a 4. So that is a 64 whole power 1/3 ఎందుకంటే x ప్లస్ లో మనకు 64 ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 1/3 x పవర్ what is the here 1/3 minus 1 అంటే 3 1 జా 3 x పవర్ minus 2/3 with 1. 64 whole power 1/3 అంటే value is 1 plus 1/3 and x is nothing but how much here 64. So 64 కాబట్టి so 1/64 whole power 2/3 because here negative కాబట్టి into 1 అంటే something into 1 something only 4 plus 1/3 this can be written as 4 cube. So 1/4 cube whole power 2/3 3 3 cancel 4 square 4 square is a 16 16 3 is a 48. So this is nothing but what is the cube root of 65 value. Cube root of 65 value is a 4 plus 3 16 is a 48. 4 plus 1/48. 1/48 is what is the value here? So you have to divide with 1/48. So 0.020 so on we are getting 8 like that we are getting. So after 2 points after 2 digits we have the 0, so that is a less than 5 only. So that's why I am taking only up to 0.02 only. So that is a 4 plus 0.02 is a 4.02 is a required answer. Okay, cube root of 65 value is a 4.02. That is a approximation of this one here. Okay, when it 63 is the if we given what is the cube root of 63 given, so this also you have to take as a cube root of 64 plus minus 1 you have to take here. Cube root of 64 plus half minus 1 అంటే మనకి ఏ రూపంలో రావాలి x plus delta x అంటే x అంటే 64 delta x అంటే minus 1 తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇది ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చే విధంగా దగ్గర వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి సో తక్కువ ఉంటేనేమో మైనస్ లో వస్తుంది డెల్టా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ, సో ఎక్కువ ఉంటేనేమో ప్లస్ లో వస్తుంది. 67 అంటే 64 plus 3 అప్పుడు ప్లస్ 3 కాబట్టి డెల్టా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 3 will get. So like that you can solve any one of the any problem so with the use of this formula to find out here approximation. Next problem, find the length of tangent y is equal to b sin of x by a at any point on the curve. ఏ పాయింట్ వద్ద అంటే xy ఏదైనా వాల్యూస్ వద్ద సో లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది టాంజెంట్ లెంత్ అనేది ఎంత ఉంటుందో కనుక్కోమంటుంది. సో లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది టాంజెంట్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇస్ వాట్ హియర్, సో y the square root of 1 plus y dash square by with y dash. Y the square root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash. So this is the principle for the length of the tangent. If you ask here length of the normal, so the denominator leave it here. So that is a modulus of y the square root of 1 plus y dash square only. So small difference, y dash denominator unte length of the tangent. So length of the normal ante only denominator ఏముండదు, only numerator only తీసుకోవాలి. That is the principle. So for that going to this one, first I am taking what is the given one here. So given function is what here, y is equal to b sin of x by a. You want here y dash also. So y dash కాబట్టి derivative చేస్తే b అనేది అదే విధంగా ఉంటుంది. So that is the coefficient of sin function here. So sin derivative is a cos x by a, and x is the function variable, so x derivative is 1 by a will get. ఎందుకంటే x by a can be written as 1 by a, x by a can be written as 1 by a into x. ఇప్పుడు దీని మొత్తం డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ x డెరివేటివ్ 1, సో కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 by a కాబట్టి వస్తుంది. సో దెన్ y dash equal to, so b into b, one of the constant, 1 by a is also one of the constant, and multiplying these two, so b by a cos x by a, this is the value for, this is a y dash. So what he is asking here, length of the tangent. So therefore the length of the tangent is, the principle is what here, y 1 plus y dash square with square root by y dash again. So this is a y ki y is what here, v sin of x by a, and square root of 1 plus y dash is v by a cos x by a whole by y dash is again here v by a cos x by a. Okay, and this is you have to simplify this one. So simplifying this one in the denominator, again the denominator, so when I take into numerator we get as a by b. So ikkada b already undi, idi పైకి పోతే మనకు a by b అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ sin x by, sin of x by a by cos of x by a will get as a tan x by a, and the remaining is what here, so this is a square root of here 1 plus b by a. b by a అంటే క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే మనకు a plus b అవుతుంది. సో a plus b cos x by a by a. ఓకేనా? సో b b క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే మనకు రిమైనింగ్ ఉంటుంది a tan x by a with what is a plus b cos x by a. ఇక్కడ మనకు రూట్ లో a కూడా ఉంది. a అంటే ఇక్కడ వస్తే మనకు a by root a అవుతుంది. a by root a అంటే మనకు, సో a క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే మనకు ఇక్కడ a ను కాస్త రూట్ ఏ ఇంటూ రూట్ ఏ రాసుకుంటే ఒక రూట్ ఏ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే మనకి ఇంకా ఒక రూట్ ఏ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో ఒక రూట్ ఏ ఉంటే root a tan x by a with square root of a plus b cos x by a is required the length of the tangent. ఒకవేళ మనం దీన్ని ఏమైనా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేసుకుంటే కూడా, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ద సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ద length of the tangent. Next problem, 10th one. Prove that the length of the subnormal at any point on the curve y square is equal to 4ax is constant. So in the previous problem he asked what here, the length of the tangent. So length of the tangent principle is here y the square root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash. Okay, and the length of the normal is nothing but only the y the square root of 1 plus y dash square, the length of the normal, that is 1 plus y dash square with this one length of the normal, and length of the tangent principle is y dash. Okay, and the length of the subnormal is asking, length of the subnormal is with y dash. So all the principles in the you have to take in the modulus, because length you have to take in the positive only. So that is the length is nothing but the distance only. So distance అనేది పాజిటివ్ లో ఉండాలి కాబట్టి, so must you have to take in the modulus. In the previous problem also you have to take the modulus. Okay, so now what is asking, length of the subnormal. So this principle you have to take here. So going to this one, in the principle we have y as well as y dash also. కాబట్టి y dash చేయడానికి, డెరివేటివ్ చేయడానికి నేనేం చేస్తానంటే, సో ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా y square is equal to 4ax. సో నీకు డెరివేటివ్ కూడా కావాలి. డెరివేటివ్ కావాలి కాబట్టి డెరివేటింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్. సో d by dx of y square equal to d by dx of 4ax. So y square derivative is 2y and y derivative is y dash dy by dx. So that is we are derivating with respect to x కాబట్టి with respect to whole function, again you have to derivative for inner, that is y also. So dy by dx is denoting with y dash. And 4 constant, a is also one of the constant taking out here. The remaining is only x only. X derivative with respect to x is the only 1. So therefore this is nothing but here 2y by 2y dash equal to 4a. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja అంటే మనకు y dash equal to ఏం వచ్చింది మనకు 2a వచ్చింది. సో బోత్ సైడ్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద మాడ్యులస్. సో మాడ్యులస్ తీసుకుంటే y dash is equal to modulus of 2a. Okay, so y dash with the modulus is the principle for length of the subnormal only. So therefore length of the subnormal equal to what you got here 2 1 of the constant, a is also one of the constant, the product of two constants is also one of the constants. So therefore the modulus of y dash you got here constant. So therefore ఇది y dash అంటే ఇది length of the subnormal. So therefore the length of the subnormal ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు ఇదంతా కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ 2 marks problems in the limits and continuity and the differentiation. So not only this problem, so with the use of this knowledge you can solve any problem in the limits and continuity differentiation if you understand. So going to this one, so you have to remember all the principles in the differentiation and the limits and continuity. So then only it's possible to solve that.